There's a water shortage. What's happening to Manila Water and how does it affect Ayala Corporation? Check this video out. Hey guys, so another trading day has ended and the market in general as a whole is still sluggish. So if you look at the PSEI here, it's really not headed anywhere, and that's what I've been saying over and over again from the previous videos. As long as the market is sideways, it will just hover from 7,500 to 8,100. So for those who are wanting to buy and sell at support, the support is still at 7,500, the resistance is at 8,100. So you can't really expect the market to go up or go down until it breaks out of 8-1 or until the 7,500 support does not hold. So let's see what will be the developments over the next few weeks and months, if there's any catalyst that will cause people to buy high, or will there be something that will cause people to take profits and more people who bought higher or bought lower will sell at a much faster rate. So, but this video isn't about the index because the market as a whole hasn't really done much. There are just a select few stocks that have been performing, especially the Villar stocks have been doing well over the past few days. But I don't want to zero into that. I want to zero in on Manila Water. But before that, also, let me just give you a quick plug. I'd like to invite you all to Icon 2019. The promo discount ends March 15. So for those who would want to join us, click the link below for the event. It will be a plethora of speakers from Randall Chongson, Rex Mendoza, Salvador Plito, Danny Laurel, Ana Quisha, Carl D, RJ Ledesma, Jason Lowe. We have 12 amazing speakers from entrepreneurship, investing, and personal finance who will give you the lowdown on how you can make your money work hard for you. And after that, Japan, I'll be there for Investing Insights 2019 in Japan. So if you're from the Tokyo area, I hope to see you there. Now, back to business. Let's look at Manila Water. Manila Water was the biggest hit because they're the ones that have the shortage. I don't know what the prevailing theory is. A lot of people are saying that there really isn't a shortage. Wala naman talagang nawawalan tubig. There was some inefficiencies lang that they're saying that there's no drought. But for me, from a stock market perspective, everything I need to know is found in the charts. I don't need to guess what the news is. I don't need to speculate. But of course, from a fundamental perspective, if there's a shortage of water, of course, consumption will be lessened. If consumption is lessened, that means that Manila Water won't be earning as much vis-a-vis the same time last year. So from a fundamental standpoint, this is not good for Manila Water. Over the fact that they won't be getting as much usage, as much consumption, means that their earnings at this point in time as compared to last year won't be as good. So that's from fundamental. News, of course, is negative also. Anytime that you have shortages, speculators or people who are hedging on either good news or bad news will either favor on the side of, hey, this is not good news, this is not good for the stock, I'm not gonna buy. If I own the stock, I'm gonna sell the stock. So people who are following fundamental analysis are gonna say also, no, avoid the stock as well. But for all of us who are trading based on technicals, again, everything you need to know is found in the charts. Everything you need to know to win is found in the chart. So look at this. Over the past say 4 months, from November, somewhere in this range, November 29, the end of November, the stock started to break out from the 26 level, and then which brought it to the current range. The stock has been sideways since end of November, so December, January, February, and up to where we are now. The stock has been sideways, moving from a very thin range naman, 26 to around 27.6, with the support at around 25.9, 26. So yeah, kanina, very interesting because it challenged the support. There was a large red candle. See the large red candle here? This is pretty much triggered by the negative sentiment brought about by the news of Manila Water and the shortage that we're having here in Manila. Now, it hit the support. Ang galing, no? If you look at this, you have a very strong support here. As it hit the support, boom, it started to bounce. But above and beyond that, as it started to bounce from this levels, look at this. as the stock started to bounce, it went above and went back to the support range of 25.9 or around 26 level. So what does this mean? If the regardless of the news, no, if the stock bounces from 25.9 tomorrow or in the next few days, you can expect it to again challenge and go at least here to 26.9 or 27. If it fails to hold that, you can expect it to retrace downward. But if it breaks past that, there's a possibility that it could go back to around 27.5. Again, the chart discounts everything. Everything you need to know is found in the charts. So I don't speculate. Everything I do and how I trade is just found here. However, if it does not hold, there's an expectation that it will try to challenge and go to this support level, 25.6 level. If this does not hold, then the stock will just drop lower. If it retraces, no, the possible target price for it to fall is the stock could go to around 24.5 level for the short term. So watch out for two things. Number one, the support at 25.9. Number two, the support at 25.6. If these two levels does not hold, there's a possibility that it could go back to the 24.5 level for the short term. So I guess that's it. I want to show you Ayala Corp also, by the way. You have to notice that regardless of the news that we're having, Ayala Corp already, if you look at this chart, has been sideways na rin for quite some time. If you look at the narrative here, from 880 to 900 pesos, the stock has been moving in that range. So the support is 880, the resistance is at 1000. Short term though, if I zoom in further, you have a resistance here at 948. Then you have a short term support around, let me zoom in to see it better. You have a short term support around 924, 925. So if the 924, 925 level does not hold, expectation is it goes back to 900, which is a more solid and stronger support for Ayala Corp. So let's see how this goes over the next few days. But one thing I know is Manila Water is at the support. If it fails to hold, it will drop down further. AC is trying to hold at this short-term support at 923, 925. If this does not hold, it could go back to the 900 peso level. So I don't know how will this progress over the next few months. Will the shortage or the drought intensify, or will they find ways to make it stabilize? But what's amazing here is if the breakdown furthers, you all know what to do. You are a trader, stay away from the stock. You are a position trader, stay away from the stock as well. The goal here is to come in when it makes sense for us, when the charts are telling us to come in. But until that happens, the name of the game is capital preservation. The name of the game is maximizing our gains. If it does not make sense for us to come into that trade, we stay away. So as of this point in time, if the news will cause Manila Water to break down further, stay away from the stock. So that's it. Marvin Germo, I hope this video helps you. Trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.